Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Insights. In today's video, I am going to review mini gaming PC from Lenovo. Lenovo Idea Center Gaming 5i. We'll discuss everything about its specification, warranty and all its upgradable options. I'm using this PC from 1 month and now I'm going to share my complete review on this PC. To know everything about what this gaming PC is capable of, watch the video till the end. Before that, do subscribe the channel and hit bell icon to get the updates notification. Here is a quick unboxing for you. Along with this PC, inside it will get a wide mouse and a wide keyboard. This is regular alphanumeric keyboard and look at this. It is very smartly protected with dust-proof protection. Let's keep it aside. And this is the mouse. We do not get a gaming mouse with it either. We get a regular PC mouse large enough to hold in hands. Apart from that, we have a power cord for the PC, few manuals and safety guides. That's it. Let's keep everything aside. It looks tiny but powerful regarding the specs. Incredible specs at super low price. It is perfect for light gaming. With some upgradables, even extreme gamers can opt this PC. We will look at its complete specifications first. Powered with Intel Core i5 10th generation processor, DDR4 8GB RAM, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB graphic card, M.2 PCIe SSD of 256GB for OS, 1TB SATA hard drive, Lenovo custom made motherboard with onboard Intel Wi-Fi 6 wireless connectivity and Bluetooth 5.0. Comes with preloaded Windows 10 operating system and some pre-installed Lenovo softwares. At the rear panel of the PC, at the bottom we have the power cord connector. This is padlock loop to lock the computer cover to avoid any theft of inner components. Next to it, we have a security lock slot to lock the computer to desk or table, mainly used in corporate offices. This is the PCI Express card slot area. Already we have a graphic card installed into it. Existing graphic card is blocking one of the PCI slot area and we have two more to install. On the graphic card, we got three display options to connect. One is the DVI port, one is the HDMI and other one is the display port. We have only two PCI Express card slots on board, but we need to check whether we can access it or not. These are the onboard 2.0 USB ports for connecting peripherals such as USB keyboard or USB printers, and one RJ45 Ethernet connector with light indication. This is the onboard VGA out display connector. This is the onboard HDMI out display connector. And above that we have the audio line out connector for connecting speakers or music systems. It is the inbuilt wireless antennas. These holes are given for cable management purpose. This PC is VR compatible. You can play any virtual reality games and watch virtual reality content with any suitable VR headsets like Oculus Quest 2. If you haven't watched my video on Oculus Quest 2, I will leave the link in the cards here. Please watch it. This gaming PC has no RGB lighting, but has only one blue light at the front panel. And these are the settings for it. It has 3 profile control options. Below that we have some settings. For each profile it has 4 settings and these are same for every profile. we get a genuine licensed Windows Home Edition and some pre-installed Lenovo softwares. Out of the box, I got 1909 version of Windows 10, later updated to 2004 version. Recently it has been updated to 20H2 version 2, that is year 2020 second half. The current new version of OS has some major improvements in performance wise, mainly the Microsoft Edge, and user interface also has been updated. When it comes to the product warranty, initially it runs on the base warranty of the product, that is the warranty which the seller gets from the Lenovo company. Later when we purchase the product and after our return or replacement time limit completes, it automatically upgrades to the customer warranty. I have purchased this product in the month of October, but when I received the product, its warranty was initiated in August itself only. After my replacement period has completed, the product warranty has automatically upgraded to the date of my purchase. We get 3 years of on-site warranty, and if interested we can extend by paying some amount online. Now let's have a glimpse at the inner components of the PC. This cabinet color is different, but it seems very close to blue. For a cabinet, form factor size matters, and it depends upon the size of the motherboard. I have seen in the official site, the size of the motherboard in this PC is mentioned as N80X. This is the new word for me, actually it was the first time. I am not sure about it, but it may be the Nano 80X cabinet. Small yet powerful. Let's find out in what factors we can upgrade this PC. For time being, I am dividing this video into two parts. In second part, I will give you the detailed view of the component inside and explain how far this PC can be upgraded. Along with it, in second part, I'll cover details about free Xbox Gaming Pass and some comparisons with higher version of this PC and few more goodies. So definitely watch the second part. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.